Hey guys, and welcome back to another episode of Unboxing Tech with me. Well, today we have what do we have? We have a package from Amazon.in. I think it's the opposite for you. Anyways, we have the Amazon Basics cable, one of my favorite cables for the iPhone, the iPad, and the iPod. Well, this costed me 600 rupees in India, so that's actually 599. Just give a minute, give a rupee or two. And this is a 6 feet cable. Now that's quite a long cable from Amazon, and the cost on the box is around 1,300, but it is not so expensive. You see, on the website they have a lot of deals and this and that, and Amazon keeps changing the prices for it, and this is quite long, I feel. Plus, this is imported by Cloudtail India Private Limited, that is Amazon subsidiary to import stuff to India, and was manufactured by Foxconn International Technology Limited, the Taiwan branch of it. But the country of origin is China. So basically, this was manufactured by the same company that manufactures the iPhones, and this is the iPhone cable. This is a USB-C to Lightning connector, which is red in color. Now, without further ado, let's unbox it. Now, there is a small sellotape, and we have the cable. Very simple unboxing. We have the cable, and this cable is quite long, so they have a tie in the middle. Let's untie it, and there you go. We have a really long cable, so it extends from this end to all the way the other end. So basically, this is a really big cable. See, you can't even come to the screen. It's that big. Well, that's all. If you want to buy this, I'll leave the link to this cable in the description down below. And this is a test of how I can record a video on the iPhone and yet have really nice audio for it. Anyway, bye, take care, adios.